Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. The WooCommerce product table plugin has a straightforward and user-friendly interface. Almost all the tools and options you need to create in a customized product table are available in the product table form in the WooCommerce product table plugin. In this tutorial, we want to overview these tools and options to help you have a better experience using this powerful plugin. Let's see how we can open the main section of Add Product Table form. Click on the Add New Table menu under the IT Product Table, and the plugin will open a page including the predefined templates. You can ignore this page and click on Get Started. As soon as you click on this button, the Add Product Table form is displayed. Now, what are the tools and options available in the main sections of Add Product Table form? As you can see, the Added Product Table form is divided into two sections. The first section is a guide panel and the second one is an action panel. Now, let's see how the tools and options designed for these two parts help you to create your table easily. In the guide section, some options are available. The first option is the dark light buttons that are used to change the panel's appearance. The second option is the body. The body option has two functions. A, to show the description of each item you select in the action part, and B, to display the details related to items like columns, cell contents, and etc. For example, when you choose the Columns tab and click on Add a Column, you can see the related elements in the guide sections. The Hide and Show Navigator. This is an option for hiding or displaying the guide section. The Hide and Show button. This button is designed to hide or show the WordPress dashboard menu. The Plus button. This button is used to add a new blank table. Duplicate. Using this button, you can make a copy from the current table. And the trash icon. The current table is deleted by clicking the trash icon. In the action section, you can see three different parts. The first part contains some useful tabs for creating and customizing your table, including Query. In this tab, you can find various options to filter the products that you want to be displayed in the table. Columns. This is the main part of the WooCommerce product table plugin that allows you to add different columns to your table and assign any elements you need to them. Adding different columns displayed on laptops, tablets, and phones is also possible. Navigation. In this tab of the product table form, you can customize the sidebar settings, header, and footer of your product table. The next one is Settings. This section considers configurations to help you better personalize your product table. Then there is Style. The Style tab provides different customization options for changing the appearance of your product table. You can choose one of the presets in the default part or create your favorite appearance for your table to be displayed on the laptop, tablet, or the phone. There are also some options for tweaking the navigation style configurations and mini cart styles in your product table. In the second part of the action section, you can find four tools. The first of which is Text Box. This text box is designed to allow you to assign a name to your product table. The shortcode icon. By clicking on this icon, the shortcode of your product table is copied to the clipboard, and you can use it in the WordPress pages to display your product table on your website. The Live Preview. Live Preview enables you to see a preview of your product table in different modes as shown here. The Save button. You can save your product table by clicking on this icon to be saved in the All Tables tab. In the third part of the product table form, you can see the options for each tab, enabling you to add new features to your product table or revise them. We describe the available options and how to use them to create your product table in separate videos.